Girls, I have to get more match sheets. Whoever's the quietest will get a lollipop stick when I get back.
Is he gone? Check. He's gone. Let's dance!
Girls! Detention!
Here lads, I need to go bathroom.
I'm dead.
OMG, I literally just died. I literally just got these done. Don't be so dramatic.
Where's Lauren?
I think she's stuck in the toilet. Come on.
Look! The door's not closed! James, you owe me a Coke! Oh! Let's go back in.
Let's find Lauren. Oh yeah. She has to be in here somewhere. Lauren. Lauren.
Oh, dang, you found me. Did I win hide and seek?
We weren't even playing hide and seek.
Hey guys, look what I found. Ew, I'm not wearing these. These are mank.
Come on, guys, let's go to sleep.
Ow! Yes, I got it. Oh!
Ah, my head.
Come on, guys, get up. Oh my god.
Here, lads, you want to get detention?
Why? That's a stupid idea. It's a class idea. We get to hang out.
You all know why you're here, don't you?
Not really, to be honest.
Miss, there's a phone call in the office for you that you need to take.
Okay. Be good when I'm gone. Guys, this is so boring. Can we take a nap?
I'm Miss Clane, but you can call me Miss K.
Hip hip hooray! It's Miss K!
Before we do any work, I think we should totes have a sleepover.
But we don't have our pajamas.
What do you mean? We're wearing them.
That's exquisite.
I'm not really sure about this. Come on, get over yourself. Let's go.
Students.
Well.
Wake up!